Flat iron steak tacos with a roasted tomato and barbecued bone marrow salsa. I've got 4 flat iron steaks here. They've been marinating overnight in a spice blend. There's cumin, a little bit of chipotle chili powder, cayenne pepper, Mexican oregano, some wild oregano, lime juice, garlic, onions, this lime salt, you may have seen that. Salsa is a super crucial part of Mexican food. Give those different notes throughout the meal or throughout the tacos, and this one's really, really good. Tomatoes, jalapenos, lots of garlic and a shallot. Char them really hard on the barbecue, taking on that smoky flavour. Into a blender with loads of lime juice, fresh coriander, salt, a little bit of ground nut oil to help bring it all together. Barbecued these bone marrows until all bubbling and delicious. Scrape that into your salsa. The flat irons are quite a thin steak, so I think we want to cook them at a relatively high heat. Straight on. You can hear that sizzle. Case of keeping it moving. You don't want that crazy char, because it's just going to burn all the spices. As soon as you feel a bit of give back in the meat, I think you're at a nice sort of medium rare situation. We talk about this on the regulars, and it's a very important tip, and I'll always mention it, but your meat needs to rest. So they've come off the barbecue, give them 5-10 minutes just for everything to cool. You get that lovely, juicy finish. Got these lovely soft corn tortillas, which I bought. I'd love to say I made them myself, but I didn't. Just want to get a little bit of heat in them just to soften them up a little bit. And then I've got a tablecloth ready to pop them in, and they can sort of steam and stay warm in there. And then all that will be left is to slice up our steaks and build our tacos. Slice it pretty thin, so you got plenty of portion, because you only want a little bit of meat in each taco. A little sprinkle of that. Pick yourself a taco, pick yourself a bit of meat, go good splodgy of salsa, chopped red onion, a bit of coriander, squeeze a lime. Absolute winner for your summer barbecues. Your mates are gonna love it.